Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 2000 to 2006 Tundra. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your vehicle's bed, rear bumper, and hitch. Step 3. Burn and punch out the 4 rivets retaining the leaf spring hanger, freeing it. Followed by lifting the frame to separate the two. Step 4. Clean and grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Followed by coating the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 5. Slide the part onto the frame while using the frame holes to help with alignment. And begin welding it around all edges. Step 6. Coat the part in a paint to help prevent against rust development. Finally, reconnect your hanger with the included hardware, and you're done.